This is a grill I made out of a half barrel beer keg. I cut it in half. Got a stainless steel grate. Put a chain on the side to hold the lid to a certain extent so it didn't go all the way back and didn't fall forward. It's welded on top of a gas grill frame. At first I just had it screwed on there, but it being so hot where the fire is, it burned off the screws, so I ended up welding it on there. I took the grate from the gas grill and put up underneath for the fire to hold the charcoal. I'm getting ready to grill some country style pork ribs, some hamburgers, and some chicken legs. I gotta redo my handle because that handle gets a little on the hot side. I've been waiting for about 30 minutes now for it to get right, and it's still way too hot. I don't have a problem with it flaming up like you do on a regular charcoal grill. There's no holes for more air other than the one where the spout goes. I got two hinges on the back. One there and one there. They're just self-tap screws in. Rate, like, comment, subscribe.